Ay, ito mas malapit. O, tingnan natin kung anong nangyari. Uy, kawawa naman si Macron. Ulit. Okay. Sino yun? Ito, mas malapit na kuha. Oo, meron na parang ano eh. Merong sleeve. Colorblind ako eh, pero parang blue na sleeve. Ay, iba, hindi to. Hindi tong babaeng to. Iba yung kulay eh. Ito si Bridget eh. Tama ba? O, yun nga yung kulay. Tingnan natin. Eh, ay, siya nga! O, yun yung kulay ng sleeve eh. 'Di ba? Ayun oh. Siya! Sinungalingal siya ni Bridget. Ay, naku. Sinungalingal siya. Macron explained that the video showed the couple bickering and joking around something they often did. So naghaharutan daw sila. Okay. Lusot. 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 Okay. Pero alam niyo yung ano, kung wala kayong ginagawa, panoorin niyo tong ano ni series ni Candace Owens. Candace Owens. Bridget Macron. Meron siyang ano eh. Meron siyang actually hindi naman si Candace Owens ang nagpaano nito. Hindi naman si Candace Owens ang nagpasimula. Pero gumawa siya pero nung kinover niya, lumaki yung ano, yung coverage. Kasi she really dug into everything she could find about this case. Yung si Bridget Macron nga. Eto, yan si Candace Owens. Political pundit siya, pero sometimes she would go into these ano, conspiratorial rabbit holes. Ganun. So, isa yung Bridget Macron is a man, asawa nung first lady ng France right now, asawa ni Emmanuel Macron. Tapos merong mga lumabas na balita sa France dati na eventually sinuppress nila na basically transgender yung first lady, dating lalaki. Ganun. Which is pwede naman lang aminin dahil nasa France naman sila, pero hindi nila sinasabi. Hindi nila inaamin 'yon. Pero hindi din downright na dinedeny. So lalo mong pag lalo mo kasi ginawa 'yon, edi lalong nagiging mainit yung speculations, 'di ba? And basta eto, 'yun yung premise nun. Panoorin natin. Now tell Candice
Their
Idugma.
theory is that Brigitte Macron was actually born Jean Michel Trogneau. That is the person that you are seeing in this photo here on the far left. That would make her 8 years older than she is currently presenting herself to the public. Of course, you're probably thinking rationally, you're coming online, you're going, okay, well, where's Jean Michel? Well, guess what, guys? He's missing. Now let's go back to that second photo that I showed you that the Daily Mail had embedded into their article. The one that I just instantly, without even having looked into the story, said, that looks too new. I mean, Brigitte's pretty old. That's actually a recolorized photo of her daughter, Tifon. I'm going to show you a side by side here. It is very obviously Tifon. So you're telling me the media gets onto the story, and as a way to debunk it, you accidentally present a photo of your daughter and recolorize it into black and white? Again, you guys, this is not normal.
Anyway, 'yun ang trip sa buhay nitong si Candace Owens. Pero if you watch it, yung buong ano niya, yung buong story niya, itong Becoming Bridget, yan yung ano niya eh. Yan yung series niya. It's actually compelling. But of course, walang 100% proof na, alam mo yun, napicturean na may, 'di ba, ang genitalia ni Bridget.
All right, guys.
Uy,
So we
ano ba yan?
delayed the second installment.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ko 'di ba? So, but yung mga evidence na pinakita niya at saka yung mga interviews are quite compelling. Okay, so if you like this video, subscribe now so you can get notified every time na magla-live riffs tayo dito sa channel. Join the conversation and you can also join our membership and let's enjoy doom scrolling together.